What's up, you guys? All right, I'm excited to film this. It's been a long time coming because I left half of my camera, most important part, in Florida, and I needed to order that to be able to film with you guys and to be able to share one of the most exciting things that we all love to do together. I need to decorate this thing before fall and not for fall, which I know that I can make you really excited in like 2 seconds. Oh my God, so cute. That's going away. I wanna do like a summer Italian lemon theme. Like we've talked about this and I've done it before. Look how cute these are. I'm gonna go get changed out of my workout gear. I just did a killer booty workout. Carl, are you following me? Are you following me? I just did a really good booty workout for Project Glutes. I'm opening up a free group. It is called the Prep Camp for Project Glutes, 3-day free group. I share my workout routine. I share my nutrition. I share all the details of Project Glutes and how I'm coming up on 15 pounds lost, which is crazy. Lost over 22 inches. I should probably remeasure. Crazy. So I will leave all the details for that down below. Totally free. It'll start on Monday. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of pieces before I get changed. I'll probably put one of the little yeah, that'll be perfect. I'll put the little dress on. I'll do some unboxing. We're gonna decorate. It's gonna be a full Angie vibe type of day. All right, let's do like a super quick try on haul. The #1 reason I wanted to do this is because I actually have the best news ever. So many of you guys have used my support code and I love you so much, thank you. But there's now something in it for you, which I really love whenever you guys get a discount. So you now get 10% off. So all of the stuff that I'm about to share with you is from the upcoming Secrets in the Sand launch, and the colors and the fabrics are like, so good, soft. Like, oh, I just love it. So this is probably my favorite sports bra that they have at Buff Bunny. It is called the Revolution bra. I could probably size down at this point, but I'm still good in a medium. I love it. The detail on the back is super, super pretty. It's called the Revolution. I love it. And then the shorts are the Siren shorts. These are both in the Mirage color. There are so many exciting pieces that I'm gonna show you. It's a little bit of a sneak peek, but this all launches on Saturday, August 20th at 1 p.m. Central Time. So I'll give you guys a reminder on my Instagram, and I'll link everything on my Instagram too, but let's try this on. I'm excited. What do we think of the olive green? Ooh. So this is the Cairo crop top. And then these leggings are like the softest thing of my life, and I just keep like, so I feel like you guys are gonna like this. There's skirts, dresses, long dresses. I'm obsessed. I don't know if you guys are ready for this one. Yeah, you could totally do that and just have like the little cutout right here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What do we think of this? Do we like it? You know, it'd be really cute, that green Cairo crop top on top of this. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable, it's not even fair. Like you could wear this to dinner, but it feels like loungewear. It's so good, and I love this. I love the like Betty Boop moment. You're not even ready. Is this not like, with the square neck? Oh my gosh. Now let's go down to the basement and get some bins and decorate together. Ooh, the sun is coming out. This is perfect. It was a rainy day earlier, so this is good. We're gonna sunshine up the kitchen. We're gonna do some tiered trays. Might put on a movie. We're gonna hang out together. I definitely wanna clean and like organize some stuff too. So we're gonna decorate, clean, organize. Let's do it. Whew. Everything that I'm gonna show you guys is from Confectionery Soaps Co. Kelly also got me some treasures that I'm probably gonna decorate with. This, oh, bubble wrap. This is so flippin' cute and perfect because the theme of everything I'm doing is gonna be yellow and blue. That is so cute and so perfect. Got this one, cloth. This is incredible. Is this not amazing? This is definitely gonna go on the bar cart. This is the collaboration that I did with Confectionery Soaps Co. and it is called Happily Ever After. I went through many trial runs. We have a hair serum, that was a body spray. It basically smells like if you're walking down Main Street and you gave Angie a hug. It's basically the scent of like baked goods, vanilla icing, and magic. These are from Kelly. So these are called My Main Squeeze and Lime Me Up, and they are bath fizzes, but I'm gonna use them as decor on the bar cart because everything is gonna be lemon themed and honey themed. It's gonna be great. This is so pretty. Okay, so this is part of the Happily Ever After collection. Look at the glitter. Glitter. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's a perfume roller. I carry this in my purse everywhere I go with the Mickey glitter. Oh my gosh. Candy. She sends me things that I can't get in Canada, which I love, like all the treasures. This is, I'm not revealing what this is for yet, but you can probably guess. Oh, okay, I feel you. I know you're getting really excited. We are not decorating for, I'm not gonna be that girl. I know I post a couple of reels every now and again on my stories, on my Instagram. I'm not gonna be that girl that decorates for Halloween in August. We can't do it. So, stop it. Look at the wick. The wick. And it's like, it's a black flame candle. These bowls, this is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. So I'll show you guys, I have it up on my phone, but these are called Joanna Parker. You can get them at like TJ Maxx and Home Goods. You can also get them online, but there's a ton of them and they're like spooky. I don't know, I feel like they almost have that like creepy cute carnival look. I really like them. I just love how much character they have. Okay, this is really heavy. It's like a slate piece, but see there's like little feet on it, but it's a Ouija board. I love it all. So I'm gonna grab the stuff that's like the summery stuff. I'm gonna put the Halloween stuff away, bring that downstairs to the Halloween bins, bring up the summer bins. We're doing it all today. And we have to put on like a cool movie. I don't know, like a summery vibe movie. I don't even know what movie we should watch. Maybe I'll ask on Instagram. Let's go visit some of the Halloween decorations. I think I only have 2 little bins of summer stuff. 3 bins? 3.5. So I had labeled these last year. I really would love to do a full organization of all of this because I just feel like it's gotten totally out of hand. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells like cinnamon and pumpkin spice and cloves. Hi guys, I'll see you soon. Oh my God, Jack and Sally. So cute. I know I'm weird. Okay, so let's get these bins out. Ooh. You wanna go as a serial killer for Halloween? It would fit you quite well. I asked you guys on Instagram what I should be watching, and you guys actually gave a really good answer. You gave many good answers, but the one that keeps popping up is Luca. Yes, that makes so much sense. So I'm gonna put on Luca, and then if I go through 2 movies, I'm gonna go back in and find a second one. Some of you guys recommended The Sandlot also. Good summer movie. All right, so we just got back from the store and I got a ridiculous amount of treasures. And again, this is now multiple times in this video that I know that I'm gonna excite you guys, and I got some Halloween stuff, but I also got some treasures that will transition really well. So I feel like this is actually helpful to a lot of you guys. So if you wanna go from summer to fall, this is what I did. So I got these branches, which we're gonna transition into fall. I just have to watch where I put them in my bins whenever I put it away, but it's all good. Sunflowers, which is summer yet into fall. I got these little flowers too. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. I wanna make a mini bar cart and then the big bar cart, since they kind of look the same. Isn't this so, this is the cutest thing. I have 2 of them. I think they come in a set of 2. So this is all Michael's that I'm sharing right now, but look at this bag. Look, like you guys, I fully, like things happened. I got some candy corns, this little pumpkin here. I love these. I need to watch that movie last year that you guys said is from like the, what did you, the House of Horrors? Is that what it, Little Shop of Horrors? Little, what is it? What? I need to watch that movie. Is it scary? I have no idea. Just you guys said that that's what you think it's from. Look at what I got at Home Sense. I always want to say Home Goods because that's what it is in the States. It's like a light up. This is a true thing that I said at the store. I grabbed it and there was 3 of them. I said to Andre, how many do I buy? And he said, well, 1, it's like 8 feet long. I was like, I know, but don't I need, yeah, it's 8.2 feet long. I was like, but I need more. And he goes, no, just start with 1. So they're little Mickey pumpkins. Cutest thing in my life. So I did get Halloween stuff. This is gonna be, these were on clearance. By the way, these straw bales, can you see that? They're mini-esque, but they were on clearance. So if you usually get those, I get them every year and I just grabbed 2 of them because they were $3. The rest is gonna be its own Halloween haul. I'm not even looking at it. I'm putting it in the Halloween bin. No, but I found some perfect like lemon themed things at Chapters Indigo. Look at how cute this plate is. And everything is on sale because I mean summer stuff is done with. I'll show you what I got. So this plate, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's gonna go somewhere. And then I thought this was so freaking cute. Oh, this was on sale too. I think everything was on sale. Look at, I love the writing on the measuring cups on the inside. It's like a little cursive situation. Isn't that adorable? This is a full box of Michael's things for Halloween. I'm not even looking at it. I'm putting it away. And it will be, I will do a huge, I should watch what I'm saying. I was gonna say a huge Halloween haul. Andre's gonna be like, you can't get more stuff. Let's keep going. All right, I've got my little baby bar cart, which I've never put in the kitchen, but I think it would be cute. And I have that mug that I got. This is actually a salt shaker. The pepper shaker is gonna go on the tiered tray. And then I've got another little boat that I filled with lemons so that it kind of ties in with the rest. I have some Disney music going. And how cute is this little lemon Mickey? It's perfect. All right, there is actually a Confectionery Soaps Porto Rosso candle, which would have gone like just perfectly here, but the beachcomber will do. Look how cute. There's like sand and shells in there. All right, and then I have this plate that I got. Oh, and the whole thing is on like a pizza. Okay, this is Pizza Planet, but there's a Porto Rosso one also, and I was like, well, that would have been great. I have this little basket that I thought would be perfect to put on this plate, which I also got today. So I'm gonna do that. And then, oh, these need to be like used today, probably in a sauce. I did a viral pasta sauce, Okay, let's put the ones that are like a little bit riper on the bottom. I need to use that. But if you have some ripe tomatoes, go check out my TikTok or my Reels because perfection. This is actually from the Amalfi Coast. We got it while we were there. So there's a couple of authentic items. I'm happy with this. All right, and we've got our bar cart. It's finished. Oh my gosh, I actually have a lemon towel that I could put here. I have to go find it. Is there another bin that I'm missing? And then I did this with the extra lemons, my martini glasses. It's a full lemon theme. So here's the finished bar cart. I put some little yellow flowers in here, some little lemon tree sticks, I don't know. This is a little moment here. This is from the Amalfi also that we got. There was limoncello in here once upon a time. So I put it all on this little tray. I love this little Adirondack chair. It's so cute. Some little coasters. Some of the items are actually from FabFitFun. Some books. I just got these on clearance at the bookstore. And I did, like I said, I did some sunflowers as like a transition. This tray is from Michael's. I'm pretty sure this is from Michael's also. Chapters, more sunflowers, some summer napkins under here. And then that measuring cup. Actually, I feel like this would be cute, like just kind of leaning it There we go. And then I thought this would be perfect too. I put some sweet vermouth and Campari because that's what you use in a Negroni. Very Italy. So I'm super happy with this. Okay, and I also filled this water jug thingy with some more lemon, so it kind of ties in with the whole kitchen. And then over here is where I put the honey pot. I have a little honey pot, this little one too, and then this tea thing from Ray Dunn. Pepper shaker, and then I'm just gonna put this right here, and then I kind of stuffed this in one of the straws. So the sunflowers are a part of all of it. I've got my little Mickey sugar cubes. I have these little soaps that I had showed you guys. I just need to unwrap them. I'm wondering if I should just leave them wrapped so that they don't put dust everywhere. They look okay wrapped. And then I've got another little honey pot and then all the like busy bee stuff. And I'm just gonna put this like this. And I've got these little lemon straws in here in the Wilderness Explorer thing. Very cute. Okay, and I had got this miniature little sign at Michael's. I put "Don't worry, be happy." And then I have this coffee. So we've been doing a French press coffee. I got this at Home Goods. So we keep our coffee in there, keeps it fresh. And then I just put this little lemon situation. I think I got this off of Amazon. And this crown, I think, was from maybe one of these, but I felt like it was really cute on the little short one. So this is what I've got going on in here. I will try to link every single thing that I used. If you guys have questions, comment down below. I always answer the comments, especially within the first hour. Go follow along on Instagram. Make sure that you're subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and I will see you next time. Bye, dudes.